Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today we'll be doing a glueless install. Okay, this is one of the easiest glueless install ever. All right, so this is a unit I'm going to be using or wearing in this video, and this is what it looks like straight from the pack. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys all the details. Okay, to this install and how quick and easy it is. Okay, this is like away and go. Okay, you don't need to do too much with this wig, and in seconds you've done this and you're good to go. All right, now I showed you guys the construction of the wig cap and everything that came with this wig. Also, the unit is a 4 by 7 closure wig, and I noticed that the lace did not match properly, so I'm going to apply a bit of my lace tint on it and then blow dry it before I show you guys how perfect and beautiful this unit is. Okay, before I wear this, I'm going to adjust the band and just it's a glueless wig, guys. Okay, so I need to adjust the band properly before wearing this. Okay, now this video, guys, is sponsored by Alipearl. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and you guys know that as always. Okay, all the details will be in the description box for you guys. Like, you guys can see how well this list match. Okay, like it blends perfectly well. This is giving scalp, guys. Okay, I love how full this unit is. I love how beautiful it is. Okay, like you don't need to have any installation skills or any skill at all with wig or you know to wear this wig. All right, you just have to get it and just rock it. You're good to go. Just get it and wear it like that. Okay, now I'm using foaming mush to apply at the front of the wig in place of glue. Okay, now we're not using glue because it's a glueless install. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this is the easiest. Okay, like the easiest you can find anywhere. After applying the foaming mush at the front, I use my hand to spread it in, okay, just to make sure everything goes round. And I'm going to use this Alipe band to tie it down. Okay, now after tying this down, I'm going to leave it for some time, but while it is there, I'm going to use my comb to comb out this wig. Okay, so you guys can see how full the unit is. And guys, one good part with this unit is that it is super soft. All right, like it doesn't shed, it is soft and you oil. When I tell you all this is good quality, I mean it. Okay, now I'm just gonna comb this and then I'll show you guys the hair that came out. Like it is very minimal. Okay, like very little hair that came out after combing it out, guys. Okay.
Some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty after.
Now this is how small the hair that came out is. You guys can see that. No shedding with this unit. Alright. Now I'm going to define the coils of this unit using my foaming mush. I'm going to let you guys watch that process. I'm just going to apply the foaming mush on the hair and then brush it out to define the coils. It's really easy, guys. Okay, and quick as well. So just keep on watching, guys, and do not forget like this video. Okay.
It's a fast forward, looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon. It's a fast forward, looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon. It's a fast forward, looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon. It's a fast forward, looking at the skyline, looking back at
after defining the coils, this is what I have, and this is looking so gorgeous, guys. Okay, like the coils are coiling. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer to blow dry this just to make the whole process really fast. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry this, and after blow drying it, I'm gonna comb it out and show you guys how full and gorgeous this unit is. All right. Now, like I said before, all the details to this hair will be in my description box for you guys as always. So please check my description box for all the details you need on this unit from Alipearl in my description box. Okay, this unit is a 16-inch unit, guys. Okay, it can pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Okay, like all the work has been done before they send this wig. Okay, so you don't have to do anything when you get this wig. It is a no stress, no work wig. Okay, you just have to get it and then throw it on your head, and you are good to go. Now, this is how gorgeous the coils are looking after combing it out, guys. Okay, I love this unit. Okay, this unit is so gorgeous, guys. Okay, you guys can see how full it is, how nice the coils are looking, like the coils are coiling. Okay, and you all, this wig, it's completely glueless. Okay, you guys can see that I'm passing my comb through it, and it is glueless, baby. Okay, now this is how gorgeous your girl is looking in this unit. I love this wig so much. The wig is beautiful, it is soft, it is good quality, it is full, and I just love everything about this wig, guys. Okay, and you all go grab this wig. All right, and like I said before, you can easily take it out at the end of the day and then throw it on the next morning. Okay, you still look all beautiful with this because it is clueless. All right, now you guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also leave your comment in the comment section, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.